Hello everyone, Patrick here with Megapro Tools. Today I'd like to introduce you to our very own insulated hand tool series called the Defender line. After years of product development, the game changer has arrived. The same multi-bit driver you know and love has gone insulated. Now you can finally enjoy the features of the Megapro Advantage knowing you're covered by a VDE Certified driver that's guaranteed to be fully insulated up to 1000 volts. Available for a limited time in a pack that also includes a bonus voltage tester. Let's see what's inside. This screwdriver also happens to be only the second insulated multi-bit driver available on the market. Pretty awesome! We also have a set of combination pliers that are insulated, diagonal cutters that are insulated, and long nose or needle nose pliers that are insulated. They're forged of a CRMO steel with a hardness level over 58 HRC. They feature an ergonomic rubber grip for maximum comfort and guards molded into the front to prevent forward hand slipping in use. So visit the link in our description to get your hands on these brand new insulated hand tools. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with new releases and videos. I'm Patrick with Megapro Tools. Thanks for watching.